Foreign Minister S. Jaishankar on Friday said that India is prepared for a high degree of urgency needed to be prepared for the United States, a country which he said has fundamentally changed its approach to engaging with the world, and it has consequences across every domain. Speaking at the Carnegie Global Summit, Mr. Jaishankar said that India's trade deals are very challenging at the United States, that is very ambitious and has the global landscape in a very much different way than it was a year ago. This time around, we are certainly geared up for a very high degree of urgency. I mean, we need to see a window, we want to see stuff, so our trade deals are very good. They are really challenging. Also, we are really, when I look ahead to the trade deals, I mean, it's not my direct credit, but we have a lot to do with each other. I mean, these are the people very much on the top of their game, very ambitious about what they want to achieve, he said. Mr. Jaishankar added that just as the United States has a view of India, India too has a view of them. We did 4 years of talking in the first Trump administration, then they have their view of us, and frankly, we have our view of them. The bottom line is that they didn't get that. So, if you look at the European Union, often people say we have been negotiating for 30 years, which is not entirely true because we had a big block of time and nobody was even talking to each other, but they have tended to be very protracted the process of the what was said. Also, Mr. Jaishankar said that the United States-China trade dynamics are influenced by trade as well as technology, and the decisions impelled by China are as consequential as the United States. There are other shifts, and that's the evolution that you can say. It's something which appears, even if it does not, more than an unfolding of the dramatic events, and that the advancement of the China, so that it happened in respect, of course, on the trade war. What we see in the many ways is the trade story that has also been the tech story, and it is dramatic moments. DeepSeek was one, he said. He said that both nations are influenced by each other, but I would argue that the changes impelled by the China are so consequential, and as well as the shift in the American position is very